How to turn off vanish mode on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's episode I'll be showing you the ways on how you can turn off vanish mode on Instagram. First of all, update your application, check your internet connection, and then log in into your Instagram account. So once you're logged into your Instagram account, tap on the DMs icon from the top right hand side corner. Now open up the chat page where I've actually enabled vanish mode. You can see for now I've enabled the vanish mode. So in order to disable it, you can just long press or just hold on to the chat page and then simply swipe up just like that, and just simply swipe up until it goes like completely up just like this. But this is quite a hectic process and sometimes it might not work. So what you can do is a simple procedure is just tap on the username. After that you can just go to the privacy and safety page. So as you can see that currently the vanish mode is turned on. Now in order to turn it off, just toggle the button and go back to the chat page. So as you can see that the vanish mode has been disabled. In this way you can turn off vanish mode on Instagram. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.